running like fitness. Can't believe this moment. I'm free. I'm free. Yeah. Look good, smell good as a vibe. Rocks on my wrist, it's about that time. Gotta go big 'cause I got that. Gotta go big 'cause I got one life. I'm feeling good. Getting better. Feeling good. I can't let it go. I'm feeling good. 'Cause I never say never. 'Cause I find my place where I'm always feeling good. I'm feeling good.
Kala ko may install tayo dito. Ayun ako. Sino pa ba mga ano natin dyan? Sorry sa abala ha. Yung message. Actually, plano ko talaga matutulog lang kasi may lakad bukas. So, ayun. Thank you for... Hello. Hello. Ayun, thank you for coming guys. Sino man kayo dyan? Thank you, maglalasingan daw tayo. May bar ako nakita eh. Ayun, thank you family of course. Isay, Aiden, mga galing Pangasinan, mga galing, ibang bansa pa dyan. Wala naman. Local lang lahat. Ayun, thank you. Sobrang happy kami na na-import kayo nito. Small celebration. Ayun. Yun lang, kain na tayo.
Feeling good. Getting better. Feeling good. I can't let it go. I'm feeling good. 'Cause I never say never. 'Cause I find my place where I'm always feeling good.
Hi, Aga. Happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo, sana lagi kang nasa mabuting kalusugan at kalagayan. At a very young age, napakaganda na lang inabot mo sa buhay. Ang wish ko sa'yo, manatili ang tinatanggap mo ngayon sa ating Panginoon. At yan naman ay dahil sa iyong sipag, tiyaga, magandang pakikipagkapwa-tao, at ika nga diskarte. Sana yung biyaya ng Diyos na yan mahalin mo. At nakikita ko naman sa tuwing nagdaraan ako nakakakita ko ng sasakyan na nakalagay where there is sun, there is solar cell. Where there is solar cell, there is energy and power. Kaya Aga, more power! Happy birthday again.
Feeling good. Getting better. Feeling good. I can't let it go. I'm feeling good. 'Cause I never say never. 'Cause I find my place where I'm always feeling good.
Happiest birthday, anak. I'm sure ito yung the best birthday ever mo because alam mo na kung bakit? Siyempre, dumating ang ating Aga, ang ating Aiden, ang Gabriel, of course, di ba? And then, of course, wish you good, bali, next year, siyempre wala ka na sa calendar, no? But I wish you long life and good health, no? Of course, siyempre gusto ko dumami pa yung more kids to come, no? More Aiden, of course. And, okay, dasal ko everyday sa iyo yung inyong business ay lalo pang maging malakas at dumami yung iyong mga kliyente. And, of course, sana yung mga koleksyon ninyo, makolekta na natin this year, no? So, yun ang wish ko lang this year sa iyo. And, lagi mong alagaan yung sarili mo kasi unfair kay Aiden pag nagkasakit ka. So, kailangan talaga good health. And, of course, we love you very much. Thank you. Happy birthday again.
Advance happy birthday, love. So, it's February 9 pa lang ngayon. And then, you were very surprised kasi napaaga yung birthday celebration kasi, pero actually ikaw nag-request ito, baka hindi mo natatandaan. Sabi mo you want to celebrate with the office and then with the family and our friends. Pero we'll be overseas kasi sa birthday mo, so now napaaga and then you're very surprised. So I hope you like it and I hope you'll have fun today kahit na na-cancel yung plans mo for tomorrow. You're supposed to have a trip to Baler with your Vespa group, pero that's okay. So thank you for being a good provider, an excellent father, and a very good partner to me, and of course to Aiden as well. So we are more than blessed to have you, and I hope we'll stay the same, and you'll stay as kind and as handsome as you are. Happy birthday, love.
Better